If you're like me, you've probably been seeing a lot of content on social media about protecting your brand, and you may be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, I'll give you an example. We have a client whose business is established in Pennsylvania, and then she found out that there's a business in Florida using the exact same business name. So she reached out to us wondering, can I stop them from doing this? This is an example of a trademark issue. If you've got a business name or a logo or a slogan, and you want to prevent somebody else from using that either exact same name or something very, very similar, there are steps that you should take to protect yourself so that somebody can't copy your business name. People reach out to us with issues like this all the time, and they don't always use the right terminology. They think it might be a copyright or a trademark or a patent. This is an example of a trademark issue. And there's good news and there's bad news when it comes to trademarks. The good news is you don't really need to do any formal registration to get the basic layer of protection for your brand. As long as you're using your name or your slogan or your logo in interstate commerce, you get some level of protection. And the idea is wherever you're doing business, no one else can copy that name. So our law firm is in Western Pennsylvania, and that prevents other law firms in Western Pennsylvania from using the name Rust Belt. Now, there are additional steps that you can take to protect yourself on a wider basis. And this is especially important as businesses start to do more activities online and on the internet and have clients in multiple states. If you want to get protection nationwide for your brand, your logo, your name, your slogan, then you actually need to register your trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. And this is where it gets a little more complex, a little more confusing, and a little more expensive. But just taking a few steps to register your trademark can give you nationwide protection and would prevent another business from using a similar name to yours. If you want to get more information about how registering your trademark could protect your brand, reach out to us today.